My disc just stopped. Well, actually, it was full. So we'll see how, if I can get these together. Okay, so I'm still just tearing apart this, and I have no idea what I was saying before that happened. I was like, what? It's 2 gigabytes. Isn't that a lot? I like the stars. This one I could take it or leave it. I think I'm gonna totally get rid of this. I think I'm gonna totally get rid of this. Okay, I feel better about getting rid of some. Okay, not really loving that. Now I gotta think, okay, would I use it for a boy? Because, you know, it's like, I do so many girl pages. Would I use this for a boy? I don't know. Then it makes me want to, maybe I'd rather save these 2 for boys. Okay, I think I'm gonna see if my friend wants those, and I'll save these 2 because I like these better. Okay. Now this one has just perfect. Okay. I'll save those. I like those. I always like craft paper for, you know, I think it's a pretty base. Okay. And it does make me think of kitchen and stuff. Okay, today is your day. You make me so happy. Okay, I'll save those. Oh no, I've got this going on now. I don't want to spend a bunch of time pulling them off, so I'll just do that later. Except for when I can't help myself. Okay. And let's see, thanks. Congratulations, you, me. Okay. Save those. I'll save these. Maybe since there's 2 pages, I can get a title. I hate buying letters. Okay, here's some little X's. I think those are cute. I felt I was doing so good, pulling stuff out that I didn't like. Okay, a diagonal. You know, I like a diagonal as a background, or like framing. Oh, only missing the trash can over here. Okay. Some little circles. I don't know. I'm trying to think of any of it as a different size or a border. I'll save those for a while. I like the heart. This is laugh a lot, so much fun, do great things. Those are good. This one I was looking at the other day and it's like, oh yeah, that makes me happy. I just like that. What is it? Like almost a tone on tone because you have black and brown together. That's cute. And I like this pattern. Don't love this. It can go. I can see it on a Halloween paper or something, but I think I can let it go. And then we have all the ones that are just solids. And so maybe I'll just leave them together, because I know what they are. If I can't figure out how to put this this video together, I might have part 1, part 2. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so I have this. So I'm saving these, giving these to my friend. I'm going to put this in here to divide it for right now. Okay, and these are, I'm going to give her a stack of these too, because I've got a bunch. Okay, this, I've had it for a while, and you know what? I just look at it and think, nope, don't like it. Like this. This is like a chocolate brown. So I'll keep that. I'm just gonna flip this over. I'm gonna divide it here with this for a while. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that. I like this. Definitely like the ginghams. These are from Echo Park. I do like the, see, I like the paper bag look. I like that. I'm gonna put this in the front because it's smaller. I like these. This is real pretty. This is Paris. I do have Paris paper. I think I'm gonna pass that on to my friend. I've used it quite a bit. I'm kind of over it, that whole collection. It was a big collection I had. I'm gonna save that. I really like this. Like this. Oh, no, I folded it. Okay, that needs to go in the front. Love this. And this is from, Auburn Lane. One of the other ones was from Auburn Lane too. Like this. I've liked this, and I've had it forever. I don't even know where it comes from. Someplace without a name. This one. Oh, it's a different one. This here. This here is what? Oh, this one's the one without the name. This one is from Mesa, Arizona. Oh, it's Scrap Ease. This is that same one, I think. And that would be pretty for a wedding or something. So with this, like this. But it really makes me think vintage, so I could put it in vintage papers. I think I'm gonna put this in vintage papers, because I think that's where I would be looking for it. Okay, this could be put in travel. Yep, I'm gonna put this in travel, because I probably have looked for that and thought, oh, I don't know what I did with it. Have you been there? Okay, I like this, but where would I use it? I gotta think, have I looked for it? I'm gonna keep it here, but you know what? It makes me think school, but vintage school. This too. But I wouldn't mind using it for a background. This is really pretty. Debbie Mom. I haven't seen Debbie Mom stuff for a long time. She had the cutest embellishments. Okay, this here. Like that. It's almost, well, it's a dark brown. I don't see a name on it. This here, I like this. I think I could let this go. And I could let this go. This is kind of a green brown, if that's a color. And I'll keep that. Okay. So I'm moving some things. And definitely moving some things off the table. Okay, this I'm gonna send to my friend, or give to my, I got a pile in the other room for her. Okay, and these I'm putting in kitchen. I'm putting this in travel or vintage. This goes in travel. Okay, I'm putting this in travel. Travel, kitchen, giving that away. And I'm gonna give her some of these too, because I got a bunch of these things, this size. So I'll give her a stack of those too. Okay, and then I have vintage. Okay, so I'm gonna deal with these, and tomorrow I'm gonna probably dig into those again on that desk, unless I have something else I have to do. I do have 3 other things I gotta do this month. No, I take it back, 5 other things. So, I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.